Today we got some Overwatch figures. Cute but deadly Series 3 Overwatch Edition. Here's all the back of the box, gear, Blizzard.com, Blizzard Entertainment, 2017. I got these at GameStop. All blind bags were $1, and I think I'm not sure when that sale runs out. I think they said it runs out Wednesday, so today's Monday or Tuesday, right? So Wednesday's pretty soon, so you better get them while you can. You better go check out your local GameStops and get them while you can, because also Walmart has blind bags of Overwatch figures, and this was one of them in it. I don't know what they're selling them at Walmart for, but I picked up this one today at Walmart. It looks like you can get Genji, Reaper, McCree, which that's who this guy is, McCree. Diva, Sombre, Luciaro, Zanya, Hanzo, Soldier, Bonnie, Soldier 76, Jackal, Parama, Sporty Tracer, Mystery Figure, and Obnik Krasik Bastion. So that's all the different ones you can get. And that's what the front looks like, that's what the top looks like, that's what the one side looks like, that's what the other side looks like, that's what the all the different ones you can collect look like, and then that's all the information. So let's check them out. Check it out now. Let's check it out. Check it out now. Checking it out. And of course, they always happen to be in those little packs. Which you kind of need scissors or something to open them. I have a knife. That's what I use. So we got Diva here, and these come with a little stand for them, so that's cool. I'll show you how the stand looks. Cool. So there's Diva, that one right there, Diva, and we got a little spin around, spin around, spin around, spin around. Got a lot of hair, and that's Diva next to McCree. Now we'll open another one, and we'll check it out. That's Diva on the front picture too. So I opened them all off camera, so and that's pretty much what the bag looks like. So I'm gonna open these each, and then I'll show y'all. Okay, now I'm gonna pull them out. Hey, it's a mystery. There's nothing in that one. Well, that's because that one fell out before. Okay, we have this character. What's this character? Let's see, this character looks like Hanzo. Okay, we got Hanzo now. Hanzo. We got Hanzo. Which I will put them all on the stands and show you what they look like after I open them all. Here is the cute but deadly version of this guy, which is, that is McCree. And then here is Lucio. Yeah, Ludo or Luciado, whatever. There's another McCree, so I got 2 McCrees. So I got a double, and I got 2 of this Rignon guy too, so I got doubles of them. I'll put them on the stands and show y'all when I get. So here all of them are, and we've already looked at Diva, and we've looked at this McCree. Let's look at this McCree. Got a big hat, and this is what he looks like. Got a big gun. So that's McCree, which he's not the best to look like unless you kind of fold him, because his hat's kind of blocking him. We got this guy. This was Hanzo. Then we have Lucio, or so that's all the figures. So we got 2 doubles and 4 regulars, which isn't too bad for getting 6. And that was Cute but Deadly Series 3 Overwatch Edition Blizzard's Overwatch figures. And we got 4 out of 13. 4 out of 13. Not too bad. We got McCree, Diva, Lucio, and Hanzo. What we need is now I have a few of the, I think I have some of these. I have some of these, but I'm not sure if they're Series 3. Now we need Genja, Reaper, Sombre, Zera, Bastion, Tracer, Jackal, Para, and Bone Soldier 76, and the mystery figure. Then we'll have them all. So comment down below your favorite Overwatch character, and or your favorite Blizzard game. And remember, God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. Jesus loves you. Keep on gaming. Jesus is God. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And tell me your favorite video game that you play. Tell me your favorite Overwatch character. And everybody have a wonderful, awesome day. And I hope y'all have been enjoying these little unboxing videos of things I got at GameStop for $1 during this special clearance sale that they're trying to do. So, Diva, Lucio, McCree, and Hondo. Check your local GameStop out, and hopefully before Wednesday, because I think this sale ends Wednesday. And see if you can't find $1 blind bag and blind box things. And if you've done reviews like this, unboxing videos, comment down below and I'll check out your video. Later. Like, comment, subscribe, and